Today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 213 different strategies, with 70 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 103 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you will also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So today's source video says ultimate buy sell signals for day trading, TradingView indicator plus free strategy. So of course we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this particular strategy. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these indicators here real quick, like so. And the first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the trend magic indicator, this one right here. Add that to the screen and it'll look like this. Go ahead and jump into the settings, and the only thing we're going to change on this is going to be the color 0. Go ahead and change that to green and click OK. The next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be your standard MACD, so moving average convergence divergence, this one right here. It is a built-in TradingView indicator. Add that to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this as well. So what we're going to do in the style is we're going to turn off the MACD, the signal, and the 0 line. And under the histogram, you're going to make color 0 green and color 1 green the same color. And color 2, you're going to make that red, and color 3, you're also going to make that the same red color. And then jump into the inputs. Under the fast length, you're going to change that to 18. The slow length, you're going to change that to 144. Click OK, and it should look like that right there. And the last indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Hall moving average. Again, this is a TradingView built-in indicator. That one right there. Click that. Jump into the settings, change the length to 100, and under the style you can change this to whatever color and whatever line weight is easiest for you to read. So what we're looking for a long trade is when the trend magic line switches from red to green. It's hard to see, but you can see right here that there is just a little bit of red on the line. Now, if I hover over this particular bar or that particular bar, and you look at the trend magic right here, and right next to it, you can see those numbers. you can see that it switches from red to green when I bounce back and forth across these two candles. So you can see that when I'm on this candle, that means that the trend magic was red. When I advance to the current candle right here, that means that the trend magic was green, or is green. And so that'll tell you whether or not it has switched color on that particular candle. Now when it switches green, what we're going to do is look for where the price action is in relation to the Hall moving average. We want price action to be above the Hall moving average in this case, because we're looking for a long trade. And then lastly, we're going to look down to the MACD, and we want the MACD to be green. When all those line up there, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. What I'm going to do is just set my stop just right below this little swing right here. This developed a little swing right here, a little pivot. And so I'm going to set my stop right below that. And then I'm going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Should do. Play this forward and see what we get. And you can see within a couple bars, we make that spike up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is when the trend magic switches from green to red. So again, if I hover over this bar right here and you look at the numbers up here, you can see that it is green. And then when I advance to this bar right here, you can see that the numbers are red, telling us that the trend magic is red now. And then when we get that, of course, we're looking for price action to be below the Hall moving average in this case. And then we're going to look down and look for the MACD to be red. Once all those line up, that's going to be our signal into a short. Set our trade right here. And then again, we're going to put our stop just right above this pivot, this little swing right here that it created. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right just there. Should work. Let's go ahead and play this one forward. And again, within a couple bars, you can see that we make that push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go with the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $1,200 altogether. So pretty much a break-even strategy, not including any spreads or commissions or anything like that. So most likely you would have been in the negative. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 39 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. With the gain of $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $4,500 for a total gain of $15,900 in about 3 weeks worth of trading. So significantly better results and profits. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable trading system. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week, we are keeping track of the trades that we would have taken, and we're using these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin in this particular case. And so last week, not this immediate last week, but the week before that. I haven't done the numbers yet on this week. We did 7 trades altogether. We had 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades. A 71% win rate would have been a gain of $1,200. On the crypto coin, we had 5 trades, 3 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a gain of $240. For the week, we'd have been up $1,440. For the 15-week total now, we would have been up $26,080. You can see more information about the strategy here, the statistics, and you can see the growth right here. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.